Okay, welcome back to Dubbax channel. Today, it's gonna be a new kind of video because it's not skateboarding or vlog. It's gonna be about inline skates because I've been starting to skate these 2 weeks and it's awesome, dude. It's so fun, like jumping stuff, grinding, and yeah. So now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this anti-rocker. DIY anti-rocker with used skateboard wheels. You see these wheels? These are skateboard wheels. I don't know how much millimeters, but it's like someone else's wheels that they don't use, and then I took 4 of them and then I cut it. So I cut this piece here, and then make it fit to the frame because in Indonesia anti-rocker is so expensive. It's like 40 bucks. So like rather I spend that money, just gonna grind this off and then put it in here so you can slide easy. So yeah, basically because I'm learning to slide now, I'm learning to do Royale. I don't know what's the other name, forgot it. Like when you stand like this, but in the straight, not like this one, forgot the name. So yeah, and without this anti-rocker, because I train on the fun box and it's so slippery, like dude, it's so freaking slippery. So I'm rocking the USD, what is this, USD Sway, I believe. Where's the Sway logo? Here, is it here? And then with I don't know what's the base, but it's with a FLT3 frame and with universal skate wheels. Bearings, I use Bones ceramic bearings. It's from my old cruiser board. Then I just pop it in here. Okay, so basically that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'm gonna show you how do I cut these wheels to fit it on the frame, and then yeah, let's get into it. So tools that you're gonna need is it's like a wrench, something to hold the wheels like this, and then you just clamp it so it doesn't move, and then you can grind it so you didn't cut your hand, and a grinder with this kind of blade, because I'm not going to cut it like this. I'm just gonna trim it like on this side until it's flat with the bearings, and then that is like my measure so it can go inside of the frame. Okay, let's get into it. So this is like my measurement. This is so when my grinder hit the bearings, that is when I'll stop. So you can see all of the rubber is melting, and then so I'll open this. So one side done, and then let's do the other side. But I'm gonna clean this up later so it looks cleaner and fresh. So yeah. Finally it's done. Now we just need to clean it up a little bit. See? So now it can fit on the frame. Now let's give it a quick check. So this is the finished product right here. I just need to like change the bearings. I like to use like good bearings in here, so it's like I can use it as spare bearings just in case like one of these bearings fail me when I skate. So yeah, let's see. Oh yes, that is so cool. So now finally I have two anti-rocker. Yay! Yeah, yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, finally it's done. So here's the finished product. Oh, that looks nice, and I just cleaned it up. And so I have already like some spare bearings. Like, yeah, I know it's a Bronson case, but there's like a couple of bearings here. There's red bones, and there is some Bronson too. Just mix it up. So just make sure you have those spare bearings so you're not gonna be stop skating. Okay, let's put this anti-rocker in the skates. Let's do it, boys. Come on, get in there, dude. Yes. Nailed it. So, yeah, so it's done. So this is the finished product. Okay, so here's the finished product right here. So yeah, that looks neat, you guys. That looks so neat. Can the GoPro catch it up? Okay, so yeah, this is the view from the GoPro. Oh yes. See, this is how you made anti-rocker from your home with used skateboard wheels. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye. Iya, kaya